So what I have is a 2020 Ford Platinum here, Explorer, and the customer vehicle's only got 200 miles on it, not even 200 miles on it yet. And this guy's livid. He said, look at my lights. Look how nasty the interior lenses are with all that crap and goop and epoxy and stuff all over it, which I don't blame the guy at all. I mean, I would want my stuff right too. Especially paying that price for a Platinum. You see the prints and stuff all over it? Yeah, this guy was like, yeah, you're gonna get me some new lights put in here. And I was like, okay, yeah, I agree. And that's on the interior side. So I gotta rip this whole fascia off this vehicle to put these lights in. I don't know if I'm gonna do a video on my first one, but I'll do a follow-up video to talk to you guys about how this actually went. Because I'm gonna have to read instruction by instruction to figure this out. I've not had one of these front fascias off yet, so that's to come. I just wanted to show you some of the new stuff that I'm seeing. So yeah, let's get that rolling. And just talking points, showing you guys what's going on with these new 2020s, because I'm the 2020 guy, 2021 guy. I deal with more of these vehicles than anybody in the shop does. So here's a little update on what to look for if you have 2020 Explorer. Thanks, guys.